So Gigabyte has introduced their Vision series for quite some time, and with the recent ITX craze that's been going on here in Malaysia, well, I just thought of, can we actually build an ITX around the Designare series? And today, that's what we're doing right here. Okay, so starting off with the choice of components. As mentioned earlier, the theme of this build will be going around the Gigabyte Designare series, the Vision D. So we try to find as many of their white color thing that's around the Vision series. So here's what you have. The Z590i Vision D, their Designare memory, which is technically still white, I guess. And of course, their graphics card that's meant for the designer or content creators, that's built with a minimalistic look rather than those gaming type look from the Eagle series, Gaming OC series, or even the Aura series. As for the other components, since we're using a Z590i motherboard, yes, the CPU is gonna be an Intel 11 Gen CPU because we only have an i9 with us here, so please bear with us because this thing can barely handle it. So to be more realistic, it's best if you can go with perhaps the 11 Gen i7 or even the i5 depending on the budget you have for the build. And for the cooler and the power supply, since this is an ITX build, we'll be going off with things that fits an ITX build, such as the small form factor power supply we have here and a low profile cooler from, you know, the brand, right? And all these components will be fit into this case we have right here, the white color Cooler Master NR200P. So this is one of perhaps the most favorable ITX cooler locally, I would say. So let's start the build. And there you have it. Took us quite a while, but we're finally done with the build, and surprisingly, it looks really clean. I don't really build white color build a lot, and especially when it comes to ITX build is even rarer because of how hard is it to find white color components. So if you take a look at the entire build, which is based on a white color theme and the minimalist overlook, it actually fits some of you who are into this kind of build, especially some content creators. I know not all content creators like this kind of minimalist build, but for those of you who are into this kind of look, yes, this is probably something you can consider to build it yourself, maybe in the future when, you know, things get more affordable. And just in case if you wonder why it looks so empty, especially this area, because some of you might thought that, you know, you can fit in some hard drives there so you can get some extra space. Well, for the sake of getting a minimalist look, you can actually get maybe 1 or 2 TB worth of SSD, install it at the front, but that's for 2.inch drive. But of course, you get some extra cable clutter for having SATA drives at the front. So if you don't want that kind of cable clutter, because, you know, it's an ITX build, you have tons of cable to manage already, you can just go with any of the M.2 slot drives, because this board itself, the Z590i Vision D, actually comes with 2 slots, one at the front and one in the back. And just in case if you need some extra space which you can, you know, transfer data around, you can go with this as well. This is one of the expansion drives from Gigabyte. So yeah, the board itself comes with 2 Type-C ports. It takes advantage of the high-speed interface. So by using this drive, you can basically transfer most of your files, contents easily across your devices without any issues. Now with that being said, I think that's pretty much sums up our video for today. Initially, I do have quite a low expectation for this build because of ITX. I've built quite a lot of ITX in the past and I know how hard it is to, you know, keep the cable looks nice and clean. And turns out that the final result we have here is actually pretty nice. So in case if you want to give this a try as well, well, why not? And yeah, that's pretty much all we have for today. If you guys like this video, do let us know in the comment below, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any other kind of build you would like to see, do let us know in the comment down below as well. And we might try to give it a try if we have a chance. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.